Starting a garden doesn't mean you need to grow everything. Some vegetables are much easier for beginners, and choosing the right ones makes all the difference. Lettuce is one of the easiest vegetables to grow. It grows fast, tolerates cooler weather, and can even grow in containers or indoors. You can harvest leaves multiple times instead of pulling the whole plant. Radishes grow extremely fast, often in less than a month. They're perfect for beginners because they show results quickly and don't need much care. Green beans are very forgiving and grow well in most soils. They produce a lot and clearly show when they need water. Zucchini grows quickly and produces heavily once it gets going. Just one plant can give you multiple harvests. Herbs like basil and parsley are perfect for beginners. They grow well in pots, don't need much space, and are hard to mess up. If you start with easy vegetables, you're more likely to succeed and enjoy gardening. I made a free beginner gardening checklist that covers what to plant, when to plant, and the tools you actually need. The link is in the description.